What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a Starbucks video for you guys. So for today's video I got this recipe off of TikTok. So I guess it's not really a crazy recipe, it's literally a drink with one item added into it, but I decided to try it because I figured it would be good. It's a vanilla bean frappuccino with a packet of blueberries, and they called it the blueberry muffin frappuccino. So I don't think it's gonna taste like a blueberry muffin, but I'm super excited to try it and see how it is. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Hey, I was wondering if you guys had oat milk.
No, sorry. It's only like select locations are testing it right now.
Okay, then can I get a vanilla bean frappuccino with a packet of blueberries in there, if that's okay? Here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's almost my turn. So they don't have oat milk at my location yet. I was just seeing if they had it and they don't, so that's kind of sad. Hopefully they have it soon. Thank you, you too. Here we have the drink. It looks so pretty. I'm literally so excited. So they gave me a grande. I didn't really specify a size, which is good. So I guess they picked the right size for like a packet of blueberries, which makes me like super happy, and like I'm not stressed about that. So I'm really excited for this one. Okay guys, so here we have the drink. It is so cute and it's purple, obviously, because blueberries. But I'm literally so excited. They say it's supposed to taste like a blueberry muffin. There's nothing else in here that would make it taste like a blueberry muffin than blueberries, so I personally don't think that's what it's gonna taste like. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I think they literally just added blueberries in it. So I'm excited to see if I like it. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm ready, so here we go. That is so good. Oh my god. Now I can kind of see how they would get where it would taste like a blueberry muffin. That is so good. Oh my god, and I'm not like a huge blueberry fan. This is delicious. Like, oh my god, I totally recommend this. I give it like an 8 out of 10. I totally recommend. You should definitely go try it. It is so good. I was not expecting it to be this good. It literally tastes like, I don't know, it's just so good. The blueberry, it tastes like almost like blueberry ice cream almost. It's delicious. I'm obsessed. Like I said, you should go try it. It is definitely worth it. I would say get a grande for a pack of blueberries because I feel like that is like the perfect size. I feel like a tall would be almost too small for all the blueberries. This one is perfect. So good. Totally recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Comment down below if you go and try this. I would love to know if you go and get it. It is amazing. You should go and get it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.